the Yiddish Book Center when you first encountered it? What was your first impression when you went up there?
It was all a lot of books, and they were all unorganized. And Sharon was looking for women, but I don't know. I don't even remember. It was just. It was just. I didn't. It was just. He had all these stories that he was running around picking up books from places. I certainly didn't think. I mean, who knows? I mean, it's like the lesbian movement. I mean, we didn't know where it was going to go. It was like a Bund. 13 people get together and then they take over the world. You see the beginning of, I always tell my students, my students always, when they want to talk about activism, are always worried that they're not, well, we only have 4 or 5 people, and I tell them, don't worry about that. 4 or 5 people can do a lot, and you don't know where you're going to end up. And I think, I thought it was a project. I didn't think it was going to fail. I didn't think it was going to succeed. I thought it was another project that somebody was working on. I thought it was an interesting, I think it made me conscious also about the fact that, I have that whole bookcase over there now of Yiddish books that I don't know what to do with. I'm thinking of, as I said when you walked in, I got to get rid of these books because they're driving me nuts. But what to do with the Yiddish books is a whole other thing. Some of them came from the National Yiddish Book Center. They may go back to the National Yiddish Book Center. So no, I didn't, I thought it was an interesting project. It made me very conscious of something I had already started being conscious of, vaguely, what was going to happen to all of this. I think for decades, I just took for granted that everything was going to be exactly as it was in the 50s, and that Chaim Grada, who lived in my neighborhood, would come down the street and I would bump into him, and the Falvets would come out every day, the Yiddish Falvets. I just assumed it was going to be there. And then one day I woke up and realized half of it was already gone and the other half was fading fast. So I think that was another indication to me that there was a real problem. Did I know it was going to succeed? No, and I didn't necessarily think it was going to fail either. I just thought it was a project. And he did incredible.